Welcome to a video from digitalized.com. In this video I'm going to be testing out this FAJIA Ultra Low Noise 6-channel stereo mixer, $28.99 on Amazon. So recently I've added some more kit, or moved some kit to the other side of the room, and my main mixer's over there, and I needed a way of getting everything, all the signals across without running loads of cables over, and I'm running out of ports on the mixer anyway. So I thought I'd try this 6-channel. It's USB-C powered as well to make it a bit easier to connect it up. We'll plug it in. It's stereo and mono. I'm going to be probably using it in mono mode just because these are mono synths that I've got behind me in a drum machine. But like I said, you can use it in stereo. So in this video I'm going to test it out and see what it sounds like. So included in the box is a USB-C to USB-A charging cable, power cable. You're going to need your own plug for that, because I've got loads of those plugs. And here's the mixer itself. It's a very dinky little unit. It's metal, so it feels strong and solid. We've got the 6 input ports on the back, 1/4-inch jacks, and a 1/4-inch jack output port as well, and the USB-C power. So on the front you can see we've got the mono stereo buttons. So these are using the stereo type jacks, or you can use mono jacks depending on which mode you want. So if you're using in mono mode, stick them in mono, and or if it's stereo, stick in stereo. Each got individual volume controls for each of the inputs, and there's an output control as well, and some individual indicators of whether you clip in or anything like that. So we've got signal strengths. So my idea with this is to have this over here on the rack over here with these guys, and then patch it round to my main mixer, which is running out of ports. I've actually tried one of these before, a similar one. This is the Mulkey Max 3, which is a similar device which I tried last year. You can see that video on our YouTube channel. And I've got things like the Volkers plugged into those, so it'll be interesting to see what it's like. I'm really interested in sort of noise levels and that kind of thing. So let me get it set up and we'll give it a test. Okay, so I've got it connected up and I've put that to the max, so we hear the maximum amount of noise. Okay, so I've got them connected up now. First I thought I was getting some noise through, but it turns out that's the RX5, so I'll show you that in a sec. But you can see I've got the mixer on full on there, and there's no noise at all. It's a bit too much. It needs to probably bring it down a little bit on the mixer, so I'll do that. But you can see I've got the MS2000 set up on there, and that's no problem at all. You can see the visual indicator, and if I bring the gen up, that's going through no problem with the noise. And if I bring the RX5 up, you can hear that. And if I turn off, you can hear that noise I'm talking about. But that's the actual RX5, that's not the mixer. So I've no issues with noise level or anything like that. And I've got a nice little compact mixer that I can have over there. So the mixer costs $28.99 on Amazon. It's similar price to the Mulkey one that I've tried before. It's got a nice metal feel with it. The USB-C power is good, and I can just put that at the back now, and I've got all this lot set up as a sub mixer now, and you could use this in a variety of scenarios, but it just does the job and works for me. So that's the FAJIA Ultra Low Noise 6-channel stereo mixer, $28.99 on Amazon.